Hey guys, Chris Senior back from CNH Small again for another quick video here. This is a video that details the Honda 4-stroke string trimmer I have from my grandfather's cabin up here. And the reason I was making this video is because I had to install a new carb assembly on the machine today here because we were up at our cabin over the past weekend and we were closing up the cabin for the winter season, and we were going to winterize the cabin. Plus, we were bringing some of the equipment home as well too in the back of the truck. And this carburetor was giving us problems over here this past, I'd say about back in September, late September. And I went online and looked the specific engine up specifically for this machine. And they had about 3 or 4 different variations of this specific carburetor that need to be done on this machine right here specifically. So if you're having a machine similar to this right here, always verify what kind of engine you have on there and also the actual serial number, because like I said before, they do have 3 or 4 different types of carbs you can put on here. The one we had to get for this one right here was the early first generation model, because they had 4 different serial number categories, and mine was a specific serial number for the first carb part number. So always verify you have the correct part number, and also you need the serial number as well too whenever you go to the Honda parts lookup website for all the IPLs and anything else for your specific machine. This engine has the Honda GX 35 engine on here, right here in the back here. Honda GX 35 right there. That's the specific we want to call superficial model number designation, if you want to call it that. Plus, you also have your serial number and type and code information right here on the side of the actual engine block. This one right here has the serial number information located right here on the side. I'll give you a shot of that right there. It's a GY5 and that little asterisk or pond side, whatever you want to call it. There, the little looks like a little star pattern right there, and directly below that you have your serial number designation as well too. Below that you can probably barely see it, but it says GCAMT 139367. That's basically what it has on mine right here, specifically in mine. When I looked it up on the actual website, this is the first gen model, so I had to get the first generation carb kit, or first generation carb assembly, I should say. So I went ahead and bought that. Plus, you should also replace the intake gasket as well too, guys. I actually bought 2, and here's the new one I got right here as well too. This is the Honda part number right here specifically for that. Honda 16221-Z0Z-000 right here, made in Japan, made for Honda. And I also had to replace the fuel line in this machine too, because the one fuel line, the actual return line, was getting extremely bad. I think I still have a piece of it sitting around here somewhere. Here we go. Here's the original fuel line on here. As you see, it's getting quite deteriorated. It's almost like rock hard on here, and it should be nice and flexible. But we had this machine for about 6 years already, and we haven't really done any kind of maintenance to it whatsoever out here. So this is basically one of the bigger things we had to do with the machine here. Taking the carb off, putting a new carb on. Typically, it's going to be about a half an hour to do it right there, basically, to do the job. This is for the, let me see, you can get a shot of the actual boom model number down here as well too. It's the HHT35S, as you see right down there. This is the Honda HHT35S as in Sam. This is their commercial duty application machine right here, because you have a commercial engine, you have a commercial transmission on here as well too. This is a built like a tank basically. We have for about, I think, as far as I know, it's been about up to our cabin for about 6 years, I think 5 or 6 years, because I think we got it back in 2012 if I recall correctly, and we've been using it every single year up there, and we have done basically no maintenance to it other than changing out the oil and putting a new spark plug in every single year up there for that. So it's been running near flawlessly, except for this past month back in September. And the reason it started acting up, I think we had some bad gas in there, and it kept on dying out after about 5 minutes. Kept on acting like it was starving for gas. So I said, okay, I'm just swap a new carb on this machine. These carbs, they're not cheap. They're about $50, I think, plus shipping and handling and tax. I think I might still have the original bag over here for that, but the bag doesn't have the actual part number on it, so I might apologize for that. But here's the original bag it came in right here. The only thing that has the actual part number was the actual intake gasket right here. But the carb only came in a little plastic bag right here. It doesn't actually have a specific part number on the bag. I typically buy my parts either direct from Honda. You can buy them on eBay, or you can possibly buy them from another company down in Florida, which I really recommend. It's called boats.net. They have a vast quantity of Honda OEM, or basically Honda genuine parts for all types of machines down there. And they do have reasonable prices, and the actual shipping, you can actually select different shipping quotes. You want to have it shipped up slow or fast as well too. So if you're in the market for possibly buying some good parts for your Honda machine, I recommend contacting them. It's called boats.net. I will put a link at the bottom of the page, and I will also do a quick review video after I get done putting the machine back together over here, because I got it partially taken apart and partially put back together right now, because as I said before, we're doing the carb job over here right now. So I'll give you another update video after this one when the machine's currently running as it should. When I get done testing around here, probably the next couple of days. So I'm doing a couple other jobs right now, so it's going to be probably about 1 or 2 days at least from today. So I'll see you guys, and have a nice day.